somebody walks into your house and it's Mr. Arendse's premises. You pay rates and taxes in that house, you are a boss of that house. And somebody comes to your house and remove an item from your house and travel kilometers away and later calls you. And he says he wants to bring something that you took away from your house. Definitely going to be shocked as to what are you talking about? What did you take and how did you take it? And who authorized you to take it? So, and that's why my response to Jara Sentumule, who's a divisional commissioner of detectives, when she called me saying that there are dockets that are in Pretoria that must come back to KZN, the question I asked, but what are they doing in Pretoria? How did they get there? Because nobody told me that there are dockets taken away. So she then withdrew and said, oh, I thought you knew. Now that you don't know, I don't want to get involved myself. And then she pulled back. She never traveled from Pretoria to my office and said, mkhwanazi, here are the dockets, and I declined to take them. She called me while she was in Pretoria. Well, I assume she was in Pretoria. I don't know where she was. But she called me. She was not in KZN.
Is that Sentumile?
Jara Sentumule, yeah. She will come here and confirm that because she called. But I subsequently, Honorable Chair members, learned that she calls me because her junior members have contacted my members in the province. And they approached them to say, we want to come and give these dockets. And my junior officers in the province said, no, we don't want to, and those that are not even part of the PKTT, those that are working in the provincial office, they said, what are you talking about? The dockets of the PKTT, we don't want to get involved with that. Talk to the provincial commissioner. We don't know anything about what PKTT does. And those junior members of hers, I think, then they went back to her and said, hey, you better phone Jara mkhwanazi because we're not going to call him about this thing. That's when she phoned me. So when I responded, the minute I responded, she distanced herself as well. She said, I don't want to get involved myself. I thought you knew. So she pulled back. That's why those dockets remained in Pretoria for the period.
And she told you the dockets were transported to Pretoria?
No, she didn't. We didn't talk about the transportation. She just simply said the dockets are here. When I asked her, how did they get there? She said, but don't you know about the dockets are here? I said, I don't know anything. She said, hey, I don't want to get involved. And she pulled back. So she did not explain how the dockets arrived in Pretoria South. But later, I learned that she was not responsible for moving the dockets. She only went to General Khumalo's office to collect the dockets in Pretoria. It is Khumalo who moved the dockets from Durban to Pretoria. It was by instruction of General Khumalo to move the docket, not General Sentumule.
And Khumalo never told you all this?
He never told me. I was furious with him.
Yeah, I was going to ask you now.
Yeah, I was furious with him. I was furious with him. He simply said, there's just too much things happening and